Hello friends, welcome back to our course. Next, we are going to introduce some typical applications of big data in the telecom industry to give you a more comprehensive impression about where we can use big data in our own businesses. Here, you can find an overview that shows the distribution of hot fields in telecom big data applications of international carriers from the perspectives of telecom big data application directions and industry domains. In general, currently, carriers all over the world use big data mainly in 5 aspects. Firstly, network management and optimization, including infrastructure construction and optimization, and network operation management and optimization. For example, we can use big data to find the best location where we can build our base station, and meanwhile, base station can send network reports to network engineers automatically by using big data techniques, and thus our engineers can monitor and do network optimizations more efficiently. Secondly, enterprise operation management, including business operation monitoring and operation analysis. Here we mentioned several things like charging and profit guarantee, SLA management, and so on. So in general, by big data, we can manage to provide much better experience for our customers. Thirdly, customer relationship management, including customer service center optimization and customer lifecycle management. This is also a very good implementation which helps us to get more familiar with our customers. But please note that if we need to analyze customers' data, the trade-off between privacy and data openness needs to be considered carefully. Fourthly, market and precision marketing, including customer profile, relationship chain research, precision marketing, real-time marketing, and personalized recommendation. We can take advantage of customer analysis for better marketing experience, and thanks to big data technology, we can implement a lot more marketing strategies as shown in the slide. Fifthly, apart from the internal cases, there are also many external cases, which means that we can offer support to other industries for better profits. For example, the financial credit investigation products in many countries are simple, but the coverage rate of personal credit investigation is relatively low, which creates conditions for the application of telecom big data in the financial field. Therefore, the financial credit investigation service based on telecom big data has become a hot spot for operators. And as for traffic planning, there is also quite a lot of possible solutions for carriers. Like we can help the government to analyze the traffic crowded based on different ages or different ways of getting to some places. Or we can pay more attention to those regions of which the human traffic is over the threshold in history. And based on these results, we could make road network planning or bus line planning in order to optimize the transportation modes. And also for retail, medical, smart city, and energy, there are really quite a lot of successful implementation of big data technologies. In fact, there is a saying goes like, everything is data and data is everything. This saying just reveals the great importance of data. We already know that data has penetrated into every inch of the industry and business domain. To sum up, the implementation of big data is really a big topic for carriers. So if you are interested, you can spend more time for exploration. And here we take marketing for further explanation. This is a real case developed by one carrier in China together with Huawei. And in this case, we built an AI micro-algorithm service for accurate marketing. This service provides capabilities such as automatic expansion of similar groups, customer segmentation surveys, and automatic extraction of customer segment features. Based on the three data sources, which are commonly seen in the telecom industry, the service provides 7 prediction application scenarios. Including terminal prediction, package prediction, broadband prediction, preferences prediction, discount prediction, location prediction, and user group prediction. For example, terminal prediction helps to predict the mobile phone brand that a user prefers. Package prediction and broadband prediction help to analyze the most popular package or broadband types in different user groups. And thanks to the 7 prediction application scenarios, we can quickly support marketing scenarios such as broadband, 5G migration, and content recommendation. Another example is precise network optimization. As we mentioned before, we can use big data technologies to analyze whether the location of base station is good or not. And meanwhile, we can analyze if some charm users are related to poor network quality. Here, at the very beginning, we need to collect the base station map data together with base station network quality KPI data by some big data tools. And after some big data modeling and analysis, we can check if there are loads of user complaints associated with the quality of frequently used base stations. The output can be some list of poor QoE base stations and base station supply and demand balance. And thus, we can determine whether we can do something to improve station construction and network optimization. And finally, big data helps to prevention and control epidemic. In fact, there is a paper that tells us how to analyze the occupational composition, spatial-temporal distribution characteristics of high-frequency activity groups, the activity range and self-isolation degree of residents, and thus it provides support for the supervision, management of high-frequency activity groups, and certain reference for the study and judgment of return to work and return to production. Besides, based on big data on the DPI technology and public data on the internet, the paper tells us how to analyze public attention and mood changes, and pay attention to public opinion guidance in a scientific way. Alright, that is for this chapter. In this chapter, we mentioned some typical big data applications cases of carriers and 3 examples in precision marketing, network optimization, and epidemic prevention and control. Hope you guys enjoyed all the contents in this chapter and see you in the next chapter.